I'm Sarah Gutterman, CEO of Green Builder Media. I'm here today with Justin Churchill, Residential Segment Marketing Manager for Uponor. And today we're going to talk about a variety of things, starting with a question that I have for you, Justin. So COVID has placed the topic of healthy homes at the front of our national dialogue. Can you tell us, how do radiant floor heating systems help to improve indoor air quality and maintain a healthy home?
Radiant heating systems do have some capabilities to help out with that, right? The nature of COVID-19, right? Everyone knows that the biggest transmission method is through the air, right? You have a sick person that's coughing, throwing up all of those, viral contaminants into the space, which are then being breathed by other people or circulated through the airside system. Where Uponor radiant heating technologies really give us the opportunity to detach air filtration from the call for heat, so we're not circulating around those VOCs, those bacteria or viral contaminants, because we're not using fans to circulate that heat energy throughout the home. The other big areas that we're able to actually help influence inside this IDQ is around temperature, a much more consistent temperature that more closely emulates the heating curve of the human body. But we're also not drying out the air like a standard forced air system will in the winter months of the northern climates.
Talk about how hydronic radiant heating systems contribute to enhanced energy efficiency.
Water is about 3,500 times better at transferring energy than air is. So it is a significantly better way of storing heat energy and transporting heat energy throughout a home. A lot of the efficiency gains that we end up getting from radiant heating are because, right, we're creating thermally active surfaces that are heating the floors, that are directly heating people, and we're keeping a lot of that heat energy down towards the floor where humans are actually living. That being said, really, it gives us the opportunity to maintain the same level of comfort with slightly lower set point temperatures.
Can you talk a little bit about the sustainability benefits of radiant heating systems?
The real energy efficiencies from radiant, though, I would say comes from the ability to zone, right? It really gives homeowners the flexibility to have, whatever, set point temperature they want to maximize their comfort in the areas of the home that they're living. Where the areas that they're not spending a whole lot of time, right, they can turn that energy consumption down and try to provide a more efficient overall heating system. Sustainability is incredibly important to Uponor. It is something that we hold very close to our core values. We are part of the Manufacturers Alliance Lean Practitioner Program, which is really where we're looking at how our products are made to ensure that they're being made as sustainable and efficient as possible. And sustainability benefits around fire, our fire suppressor system, are really around, right, the sustainability of human life. These systems are really designed to, right, give the occupants inside that building the time that they need to get out of the house to save themselves, their family, their pets, and their children.
Tell me about the process of retrofitting a radiant system or even a fire protection system into an existing home.
Right, if we have a homeowner that's wanting to put radiant in as a retrofit option, Uponor is here to support you in those applications. We do have a variety of application products or installation products to support you, whether you're trying to add radiant on top of an existing slab in an unfinished basement, in between joists in an exposed joist bay, or on top of a subfloor. If we're looking at trying to do a retrofit on a concrete slab, Uponor has two installation products that we really recommend for that application. It's Fast Track. So Fast Track is a knobbed mat. There's two versions of it. Fast Track 0.5 it has an adhesive backing on it. So you would actually take and affix these knobbed mats directly down to the concrete slab. The other version of Fast Track that we have has a small layer of insulation to help prevent downward losses and redirect that heat up to where the floor coverings of the people are. But really a great opportunity to put radiant on top of an existing slab. Now in between joist bays, right, we have a product that's called Joist Track, which is an extruded aluminum panel. which really gives the opportunity, if you have an unfinished space with an exposed ceiling, you can actually screw all of these panels right up in between the joist space to add radiant to the floor above you without having to tear up any of those floor coverings. But in applications, right, where we have a homeowner that's doing let's call it a more destructive renovation, where they've already removed all of their floor coverings and tile and all of that, a Quick Track is a great installation product that we have. It is a plywood panel that you actually screw directly to the top of the subfloor. So incredibly efficient way to do it.
Well, Justin, thank you so much. I think we got some great points and really appreciate your time today.